Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat malam, selamat siang, dan selamat sore buat para pendengar. Perkenalkan sebelumnya, saya Didi Permadi, mahasiswa Teknik Industri angkatan 2020 dari kelas Otomatis Sistem Industri A. Di sini saya akan mempresentasikan elektromagnetic actuator. Introduction. Electromagnetic actuator have become crucial component in various modern technological application. Utilizing the basic principle of harness the magnetic field generated by electric current, these actuators are capable of converting electric energy into mechanical motion. Their main advantages include responsiveness, precision, and electrode controllability. From automotive braking system to industrial robotics, the use of electromagnetic actuator is increasingly widespread. Electromagnetic actuators play a significant role in changing the efficiency and performance of mechanical and electronic systems. Their ability to provide quick and precise motion makes them a primary choice in various applications, including position control, braking system, and automated equipment control. In the context of technological advancement, a deep understanding of their operate principle is crucial for optimizing system performance and designing innovative solutions. What is electromagnetic actuator? Electromagnetic actuator are a type of actuator that relies on the interaction between a magnetic field and an electric current of product movement. In short, an electric current flow through an electromagnetic excitation coil, resulting in a magnetic field. The resulting tensile force move and drive mechanical movement. Type of electromagnetic actuator. Electrical motor work by converting directional electrical energy into rotational mechanical movement. The process occurs through the interaction between the permanent magnetic field and the magnetic field generated from the coils in the rotor. There are two types of electric motors, namely AC and DC motor. Solenoid. A solenoid consists of an electric coil that is wound around a cylindrical tube with a ferromagnetic actuator or a plunger that is free to move in and out of the coil body, divided into linear and rotational solenoids. Relay, a device that uses electromagnetic force to close or open switch contact, consists of a coil that, when electrified, creates a magnetic field that attracts a metal contact to open or close different electrical circuit. Working principle of electromagnetic actuator. The fundamental principle behind electromagnetic actuator is based on the Lorentz force. When an electric current flows through a conductor, it generates a magnetic field around it. When this conductor is placed within an external magnetic field, the interaction between the two fields produces a force that acts on the conductor, leading to motion. This force, known as the Lorentz force, is directly proportional to the current flowing through the conductor and the strength of the external magnetic field. In an electromagnetic actuator, a coil of wire, the conductor, is wrapped around a core, typically made of iron or another ferromagnetic material. When an electric current is passed through the coil, a magnetic field is generated around the core, which interacts with an external magnetic field created by permanent magnetic or other coils. This interaction generates a force that moves the core or other attached component, creating mechanical motion. Advantage and disadvantage. Advantage: accurate, fast, flexible size, energy saving, durable. Disadvantage: using energy continuously, limited movement, easily distracted, expensive, and overhead. Next, Next, we gonna talk about fingerprint-based home door security design using the UML Unified Modeling Language method. This research designed the making of door safety house by using fingerprint. The process performance is fingerprint input, identification up to the verification of each fingerprint recorded in the database. The method used is Unified Modeling Language. Fingerprint C3 is used as an input component to be processed by Arduino Uno ATmega 328. Arduino ATmega 328 receives data input from a personal computer, a fingerprint sensor with a 12-volt power supply. Once the system is well built, the input from the fingerprint sensor is received by the microcontroller and then relayed to a relay, a switch and breaker. In general, the fingerprint identification system for automatically opening the doors consists of input, process, and output. The input sensor is specifically using R3 sensor. The processing part of the system is Arduino Uno Atmega 328 with the assistance of personal computer. The output part uses a relay to operate a DC motor, specifically using a solenoid. In this system, it meets a stored fingerprint database within the Arduino IDE program by placing a fingerprint on the sensor to open the door. When a fingerprint is placed on the fingerprint sensor, the input in the form of fingerprint will be matched with the stored database. If the fingerprint does not match the database, the solenoid will not open. After verification of fingerprint against the database, the solenoid will open. The second journal is about design and implementation of automatic transfer switch control system between off-grid PLTS dan PLN network. The purpose of this study is to develop the design and implementation of an automatic transfer switch ATS that can switch very quickly so as to prevent power interruption in electrical equipment that is sensitive to the continuity of electrical power supply such as computer. The automatic power transfer control system referred to as automatic transfer switch ATS. The function of ATS is simply to automatically transfer power off to the load, with the goal of switching to backup source PLN if the main source PLTS experiences a disturbance. From the testing, it was revealed that when the power supply is from PLTS, the peak voltage and charge P values decrease, while the peak current value increase. This is caused by the difference in the waveform of the voltage from the two sources, where the PLN source use a pure sine wave, meanwhile the PLTS source use a modified sine wave. Due to this significant change, it will lead to negative impact in the load, resulting in decreased performance where equipment does not function optimally and decreased efficiency, excessive heat generation on equipment, and this will affect of the limit of equipment. Thank you very much. Mohon maaf apabila dalam penyampaian kata-kata saya ada yang salah dan ada yang kurang. Dan mohon maaf apabila pemuka dan penutup saya menggunakan bahasa Indonesia. Pamit kata undur diri, saya akhiri. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Selamat malam, selamat siang, dan selamat sore.